All right, listen up. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to completely overhaul your strategy for kanji. We are done with brute force memorization. From this moment forward, you will learn to see, to interpret, to grasp the very core of these characters.
Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Look alive, because I'm only going to say this once.
So let me ask you a direct question. Are you still wasting your energy, your time trying to memorize every single kanji one by one, like some kind of robot?
That approach is inefficient. It's a waste of time. And in this unit, we do not tolerate inefficiency. We operate with precision, and so will you.
This right here, this is your new doctrine. Burn it into your brain. Kanji aren't something you memorize. They're something you grasp. You will seize the direction of their meaning. That is an order.
Today's targets are 3 water-related radicals, Sanzui, Nisui, and Amakamuri. Each one has a distinct tactical meaning. You understand them, you conquer reading comprehension. You fail, and you get left in the dust.
First up, Sansui. This is the most common of the 3, your bread and butter. But don't you dare underestimate it. Attention to detail is critical here.
So you see things like cure, waterfall. Simple enough, right? Just water, maybe places, but don't get complacent. This is only the surface level intel.
The real essence of Sanzui isn't just water. It's about what water does. It's about flow, change, and formlessness. This is the key that unlocks its true power.
And this is where things get interesting. Take Katsu, activity, life. It's not just about doing something. It means being in a state that is not stopped. It's about constant motion. That's the spirit of Sanzui.
Now, let's push that idea further. Sho, to disappear, means to lose form, to dissolve into the flow. And ho, or law? Well, that's about controlling the flow, about giving structure to chaos. See the pattern? It's not about the substance, it's about the property.
These are your new standing orders. When you encounter Sanzui, this is your mental checklist. The state is not fixed, something is changing. There is a flow. Even if you don't know the word, you will understand its intent.
Next target on the list, Nisui. You won't see it as often, but it's just as critical. Its simplicity is deceptive.
I want you to think of one thing. Ice. Cold. The exact moment when water stops moving and freezes solid. That is the very heart of Nisui.
To put it plainly, Nisui signifies the state where water has stopped moving. It is the very antithesis of flow.
Sanzui flows. Nisui stops. They are 2 sides of the same coin, a perfect opposition. You will commit this contrast to memory.
So, your orders for Nisui are as follows. Think stasis, think fixed, think resistance to change. Grasp this direction and you will not fail. No hesitation. And now, our final radical for this briefing, Emeka Nakamori. This is a different beast entirely.
You see rain, you see snow, cloud. Seems obvious, doesn't it? But remember, the obvious is often a distraction. But what about Shin, an earthquake? Now, why on earth would that be in this group? I want you to think. Use the intelligence you are given.
The answer is simple, but it's profound. Amakamori isn't really about weather. It's about a natural phenomenon that humans cannot control. This is the critical piece of intel.
And that's exactly why you find thunder, fog, and yes, quake here. They are all forces that come from the outside, descending upon us, completely beyond our control.
Your orders for Amakamuri. When you see it, you will look for environmental factors. You will look for a force you cannot control. You will look for change coming from the outside. You will look beyond the obvious.
All right, let's synthesize this intel. This is the debrief. Listen carefully, because this is where all the pieces lock into place.
See, even within the same water family, the strategic meanings are worlds apart. Sanzui is flow and change. Nisui is stasis and solidification. And Amakamuri is about the external environment and natural phenomena. You will not memorize kanji. You will use them as a weapon to cut through the noise. Grasp the direction of the meaning, and you will be unstoppable.
You have the intelligence. You have your orders. Now move forward.
Next time, we're moving on to emotions and psychology, the heart radical.
The difficulty is going up a level. The stakes are higher. You will be ready. Dismissed.